بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. أسجل لكم هذا الدرس خلال فترة غيابي الحضور المؤتمر. أتمنى أن يكون سهل عليكم. نبدأ بسم الله. We're going to answer a couple of questions. I would like you to stop the video and try to think what these answers might be. One, what things that we take for granted today did people not have 100 years ago? They did not have this 100 years ago. And remember this, they did not have 100 years ago. And the second question, name a discovery or development that you think people will have 100 years from now. Contemplate upon these two questions and continue the video when you're finished. فكر في الإجابات، كمل الفيديو إذا انتهيت. I would like you now to listen to the audio track and think. What kind of topics are there? What is the audio track about? Just general understanding. Relax. بس فهم عام فقط. ما الذي What can you get? ما الذي تستطيع الفهم؟
Unit 3. What will they think of next? Pages 26 and 27. 1. Listen and discuss.
In 1900, a popular American magazine called Ladies' Home Journal published an article called What May Happen in the Next 100 Years, making predictions about what life would be like in the year 2001. Read and discuss the predictions. People will be taller by 1 to 2 inches. This increase in height will be a result of better health due to improvements in medicine, sanitation, and diet. The average life expectancy will have risen from the current age of 35 to the age of 50. Language. There will be no C, X, or Q in the English alphabet, as these letters will have been determined to be unnecessary. Spelling by sound will have been adopted. English will have become a language of condensed words. English will also be more extensively spoken than any other language. Russian will rank second. Transportation. Cars will be cheaper than horses are today. Automobiles will have been substituted for every horse vehicle now known. A 1-pound motor in one of these vehicles will do the work of a pair of horses or more. There will be airships, but they will not successfully compete with cars and ships for passenger or freight traffic. They will be used mainly by the military. Traffic. There will be no traffic on the streets of large cities. All traffic, including subways, cars, and buses, will be either below ground or high above ground. Moving sidewalk stairways will connect them to the street level. The vehicles on the busy underground and overhead streets will have cushioned wheels. Therefore, there will be almost no noise in cities. Media. Photographs will be telegraphed from any distance. If there is an important event happening halfway around the world, photographs of the event will be published in newspapers an hour later. Deliveries. When people make purchases from stores, their purchases will be delivered by tubes, connected from the store to houses. These tubes will also collect, deliver, and transport mail over distances, perhaps for hundreds of miles. Communication. Wireless telephone circuits will span the world. A person in New York will easily be able to call someone in China.
Now I want you to listen one more time while taking a look at this picture. The topics you were listening to, what are they, and are they found in this picture? Listen again. revise go back. رجع الفيديو للمقطع الصوتي من البداية واسمع الصوت الصورة. Now that you have listened to the audio track, I would like you to take a look at this picture one more time and tell me what kind of predictions, توقعات, predictions of what will happen to people, language, transportation, traffic, media, deliveries, and communication. What kind of expectations, توقعات, did they come true? Can you just tell me, write down what are the predictions that came true? Or you can just highlight those predictions on the picture. Just highlight it and tell me what that is. You can just highlight, for example, this and then draw an arrow and tell me what that prediction is, and second of all, did it come true? I would like you now to go to page number 27 and find these words. Find these words 1 to 6. Find these words in the text above, here, in this text, here, and this text. Find these words. Now that you've searched بحثت عن كلمات, I would like you to just use the context to find what these words mean. For example, the first word is circuit. If you search for this in the text, you will find it here. You see? Here's the word. Try to figure out what does circuits mean in the context. Just look at the context and figure out the meaning and then connect the word to the meaning, to the right meaning. You can use Google Translate, you can use online dictionaries. It's okay. Now the final part, آخر شيء, the final part, I would like you to make predictions about the year 2100. What will happen then? وش راح يصير at 2100? Okay? But I would like you to send your answers. انتبه ركز معي. ترسل إجاباتك على تويتر. Okay? تدخل تويتر، تغريدة جديدة، تكتب إجاباتك مثلا people will fly، بعدين نحط هاشتاج FHD English tweet. Yeah. وكذا يكون انتهى الدرس. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.